A hand duster is the simplest tool for applying powders like diatomaceous earth or boric acid into voids safely and accurately. Choose a metal bellows duster or a heavy-duty rubber bulb duster for consistent flow and durability. Metal bellows give finer control for narrow gaps, while a bulb duster is faster for larger cavities. Always wear a properly fitted N95 mask and eye protection to prevent inhalation and irritation, and use disposable gloves to avoid skin contact. Powder exposure can be minimized by pre-measuring the needed amount into a small container so you are not shaking directly from the original bag. Work only in dry conditions because moisture ruins the effectiveness of desiccant powders and causes clumping that will clog the duster. If a space is damp, wait for several dry hours or use a small fan to circulate air first. Apply sparingly using short, controlled pumps and aim the nozzle into the void rather than puffing into open air. A little goes a long way, so start light and add more, only if you see visible gaps remaining. Mark treated areas with removable tape or a small chalk mark so you do not double treat and can monitor results over time. After use, empty the duster back into a sealed container if the powder is uncontaminated, then brush or blow residual powder out outdoors and wash the bulb or bellows with mild soap and warm water, allowing full drying before storage. Common mistakes include over-application, which wastes product and increases exposure risk, so apply minimal powder and mark treated spots to avoid repeats. Another frequent issue is using the duster in damp conditions, which causes clogging and reduced effectiveness. Solve this by ensuring surfaces are dry and drying the duster completely before reuse. A third problem is inadequate personal protection leading to inhalation or skin contact. Always use a fitted N95 mask, eye protection and gloves, and consider working with another person to hold lights or access tight areas so you can maintain steady, accurate application. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and let both sides post projects and find work in their area. We also host a discussion community where we share hands-on tips, ask questions, and compare tools like hand dusters so users can learn from each other.